Welcome back to our channel How to Guide, where we post guide videos to help you guys fix your problem. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can post something or like anything on LinkedIn in 2022. So LinkedIn is basically like a place where you guys can find yourself jobs, or where you guys can, post job opportunity or like connect with your workers, co-workers, do something like that, alright? And in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to post on it. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on. Let's move on. First step, you want to go to linkedin.com, which is the official website of LinkedIn, and log in into your account. Once you log in into your account, it's going to bring you to this dashboard. Now once you're over here in this dashboard, you can see versus me. You want to click on versus me and click on versus view profile, and it's going to take you to your profile viewing page. Now once you're in this page, once you scroll a bit down, you can see start a post. So what you want to do is click on start a post. Once you click on start a post, you can post whatever you want. So I'm gonna write hi, what's up, and I can even add some photo by clicking on this, or I can even link some YouTube videos or post a video by clicking on it. Alright, I'm just gonna click on post, and it's gonna be posted over here on my profile. So I need to wait for some time now, and after some time the post which I just wrote is gonna be on my profile. So that's basically how we guys can do it. So yeah, that's basically how we guys can post. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel How to Guide, and I'll see you guys next time. Alright, or you can just do this the easy way. Once you open LinkedIn, you're gonna get this little bar over here. Alright, and from this bar as well, you can upload anything. You don't have to go to your profile. The profile method also works, but this method also works. From over here, let's say I want to upload a photo. I click on photo over here, and it's gonna open up my desktop. So I'm just gonna go on picture, and let me just select a random one over here. So this is gonna be it. So what I can do is just click on versus done, and basically it's gonna be uploaded. So I click on post over here, wait for some time. Now it's gonna be posting, and that's basically it. You just posted something on your LinkedIn. You can try whichever method you find easy. Alright, so yeah, bye bye.